Hi, my name is Andrew Coster and I'm with Pit Boss Grills. Today we're going to be going over a full auger removal and replacement in a Pit Boss. Today we're going to be using a 700 FB, but this process can be used across all Pit Boss models with just slight modification. Before performing any maintenance on your Pit Boss grill, first make sure it's unplugged and cool. The first process of removing your hopper is actually going to be to remove the bottom panel. There's 8 Phillips head screws that hold it in place. You can remove it using a Phillips head screwdriver or drill. So we will next be removing the 2 Phillips head screws from the control board and feeding it back through the hopper. Alright, so from there, what we'll be doing is removing the 2 screws that hold the hopper in place, front and back. Because the hopper is attached to the burner via the power cord, it will be nice to have something low to the ground like a bucket or a stool that you can set the hopper on after removal. In order to remove the motor from the auger, you will first remove an Allen head screw from a nut. Once the motor has been removed, there's a single set screw holding the auger in place. Use a set of vice grips or a pipe wrench to then turn your auger counterclockwise and pull it out.
Wow.
In the case of an auger jam, you may require a little additional force to get that auger out.
Cool.
Using your vice grips or pipe wrench, turn that thing counterclockwise as much as you can in order to remove it. Once removed, use sandpaper, light grade will work fine. Just go ahead and give this auger a good nice cleaning. Clean the inside of the auger tube and you'll be golden.